if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me? 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 Then will you get bored of killing me?
オイル交換一式全部終わったんですけど、ね、愛着やっぱねかなり上がる感じで、自分で手をかけるってねすごく良かったんで、ぜひ皆さんもね自分でオイル交換やってみてください。ちなみに自分はもう次回からですね、やっぱりオートバックスさんに500円でお願いしたいと思います。もう大変。もう今回が本当にいい例ですね。道具があるものは道具を使う。結局タイパが悪くなってね、ちょっとしょうがないので、また3ヶ月はですね、自分で交換してみたいと思います。で、今ですね、謎にちょっとプロジェクトが立ち上がってですね。いや、これ多分5年かかっちゃうな、これ。やば。もうワンチャン終わる頃にはもう40歳を迎えてるっていうちょっと悪夢な状態なんですけど、それもちょっと頑張っていきたいと思います。で、次週の動画、ペイントで、まず一段落ということになりますので、また次週の動画を見てみてください。ここまでご視聴いただきありがとうございます。また見てみてください。それではまた。